Year 2, we are just going to look at some spellings here, and you're going to have a look at what we think is the correct spelling, okay? So let's go through this, see if it is going to... Why is it not working for me? Here. Which is the correct spelling for this picture here? So it's a picture of a saw, isn't it? You write down now which you think is the correct spelling. These all make the O sound, don't they? But when it comes to spelling rules, you've got to see which one looks correct. Which one do you think is the correct one for that? Well done. It's this one, isn't it? Let's have a look at the next one. Oh, which spelling is the correct one for this one? Haunted. 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 You need to decide which is the correct spelling. So you need to know which one looks right. Sometimes with that, we've got to know now in year 2 what one looks the correct one. Which one do we think? Well done. It is this one. Haunted. So if I'm going a bit quick for you, that's okay, because you can pause it while you figure out which is the right one, okay? Because I'll go through this, but you pause it on each one if you want to have a conversation with your grown-up on which one is the correct one. Oh, let me go to the next one. Oh, what's it doing? Which is the correct spelling here? So we've got a dog here, and the word we are looking at is paw. Paw. That's right, it's this one, paw. It's this digraph that we needed here. Oh, it's a picture of some grass, but another word that you might call it is a lawn. So if you've got any grass outside, you might cut the lawn. Which one do we think is correct? Lawn, lawn, or lawn? Well done, it's this one. Which is the correct spelling? Draw, draw, draw. They all say draw, don't they? But we need to find the correct spelling. Well done, it's this one again. Are we noticing a pattern? A few of them have got this O sound, haven't they, so far? Which is the correct spelling? She is yawning. Which is the correct one here, do we think? Yawn, yawn, yawn. Well done, it's this one. Oh, this is a baby deer, and a baby deer is called a fawn. Which one is the correct spelling here? You decide. Hope you're writing these words down when you found them. Fawn, well done. It's that one again. The AW. Ah, which is the correct spelling here? Thorn. Thorn. I'm going to give you a clue. We're not following the same digraph we've been doing so far, so it's not this one. Which else one do you think it is? Thorn. Well done, it's this one. Thorn. Which is the correct spelling for this? It's a picture of a straw. Let's have a look here. Straw. 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 Well done, it's this one. Which is the correct spelling here? Orc. 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 Well done, it's this one. Make sure you write it down as well, won't you? Because I'm going to get you to do a job at the end of this. If it lets me. It's been a bit silly as my computer won't let me use a video. There. Which is the correct spelling? Autumn, autumn, Autumn. Now I hope we all get this one correctly. Correct? And remember it needs a capital letter as well. Okay. Well done. It is this one. We talk about the seasons a lot, don't we? The season that we're in at the moment is spring. Oh, Mrs. Cockram loves these to eat. It's a prawn, but I don't have mine with the shell on it. I take all my shells off and I have it in a salad. Which one do we think is the correct one? Prawn, prawn, prawn. Well done, it's this one. Uh, you're all gonna get this one right. Definitely. Did about Neil Armstrong, Chris Hadfield, Helen Sharman. We've done loads of work on this. I'm not even going to read these words. You're going to get this one correct. You know what it is. You're going to know the correct spelling. It's this one here. Right. That is the end of that. So what your job is going to be now is you are going to use these words that you have written down, okay? And you are going to put them into a sentence. You can challenge yourself by using a conjunction in your sentence, okay? So we might have in our sentence, let's have a look. Oh, this one, let's do this one together. Could have Mrs. Cockram loves prawns. So we might have here, just going to get this on for you, how I would make my sentence look. Is it going to let me find it? Aha. So let's put this on here. So our words that we've got here. So my word is prawn. Okay. Doesn't need a capital letter. So the word is prawn. I am going to do my sentence now and I'm going to write Mrs. Cockram loves prawns. Full stop. But if I wanted to use a conjunction in there, get rid of my stop, full stop. Mrs. Cockram loves prawns and she thinks Mrs. Cockram loves prawns and she puts them in her salad. Full stop. Can you see there? I have got my word at the top that I'm using. I'm just going to make this a bit bigger for you all so we can see it. I've got my word here that I've used in my sentence. I've added a s to it because I'm making it plural because I want to have some more of them, so I need to add a s to the end. Mrs. Cockram loves prawns. And I've added a conjunction here, haven't I? I'm going to give my conjunction a different colour. So I've got my conjunction a different colour. I'm going to have my word prawn, because that's my spelling that I'm spelling with my correct digraph. I might actually colour in my full stop a different colour as well, so I remember that. I've already used red. I think I've already used red. Let's use a different colour. I use green. And I'm going to have my capital letters in, what colour could I use? I'll use purple. So I've got my purple capital letters. Mrs. Cockram loves prawns and she puts them in her salad. So I've got green, my full stop, I've got red for my conjunction. Let's have a look at another spelling that we've got here. Oh, we've got the word autumn. Haven't we? We've got the word saw, haunted, paw, lawn, draw, yawn, fawn, thorn, straw, fork, autumn, and astronaut. Okay, and I want you to put them into a sentence, and you can colour code your sentences if you want, okay? So that is your challenge today, to put those words into some sentences using the correct spellings, okay? So I've just gone through the ones, shown you the ones with the correct ones there. So if you want to rewind your video, you can pause it. Make sure you've got your capital letters, your finger spaces. You could even add some adjectives. So I might put here pink. Mrs. Cochran loves pink prawns and she puts them in her yummy salad. See, it's made it a little bit more interesting, doesn't it? Isn't it? I like that. I really do. And I'm excited to see what work you get on with today, okay? So I'm going to share this with you now, and we will be doing a Zoom at 11:30 today to just discuss how we are going to be getting on with this week. And yeah, okay, I shall see you all soon. Bye.